when you both have full-time jobs and families.
We didn't have any more time than anyone else.
Our first BRRRR, it was the blueprint. We made every mistake. When burnout hits, that's when the systems carry us.
Chase repeatable, proven processes.
So people always ask, how did you go from one rental to 10 when you both have full-time jobs and families? Well, the answer? Systems, not sleepless nights.
Yeah, man, we didn't have any more time than anyone else. But we just stopped treating real estate like a hobby. And that built processes that duplicated success.
Right. So our first BRRRR, it was the blueprint. We made every mistake. Over budgeted rehabs, underestimated vacancy, but we documented it all. The second property, we copied what worked and fixed, hey, what didn't.
Right. And most people think that they need 10 deals to learn, but really all you need is one good one and the discipline to repeat it.
So we build systems for everything. Our rehab checklists, rent templates, and accounting ledgers, right?
Every Sunday we ask what's been rented, what's pending, what's bleeding so that there's no surprises.
We automated rent collections and maintenance tickets so tenants aren't texting at 10 p.m., right? So we have property managers in place. We're using the same lenders, and consistency, that tends to save us time.
Absolutely. And then once you refinance, all you do is recycle that equity into your next deal. And that's called the BRRRR Snowball. So you're stacking systems, you're not building stress.
Right. And, sometimes when burnout hits, that's when the systems carry us. We didn't have to reinvent the wheel each time.
Yep. So if you're working a W-2 and you're trying to build freedom, don't chase speed, chase repeatable, proven processes.
Nice. And if you want the exact systems that we use, hey, check out the BRRRR's blueprint. It's everything we wish we had on deal number 1. So book a clarity call with us. And we are the Property
Brothers. Peace, y'all.
The Property Brothers.